Let's get this part 7 going then. This is actually part 7 of this whole thing, so here we go. Didn't I kill your ass in chapter 5? Guys, don't worry, I killed this thing in chapter 5. We're good.
Did you kill it? No, bro, he died.
I did. You got crushed by a cloud. A fucking cloud. How's the landing down there? Fuck.
Hannah said Hannah joined, but she's
stupid
not here.
survive till darkness, that'd be the best. Whatever.
Alright, let's get it. Spooky, scary skeletons. I'm a mechanic.
Oliver! Edward, what'd you do to Oliver? What the hell? We just got here. What did you do to him?
I didn't do shit to him. I was just...
that was me. That was me. Sorry.
Uzi, what the hell did you do? Why would you do that? I told you to do that to Skell, not Oliver.
Bro's literally in his own ass.
Oh my god.
We just got here.
He just insulted me. Okay, that's it.
That wasn't him. That was Skell. Oh my god.
You beat too many women. You beat too many women.
No, the last time I saw Skell shot you with a shotgun, I had to get your body somewhere safer.
So technically he got punished because of you.
Man, I don't know why the fuck he keeps shooting you guys.
Oh, that's a circle.
No, take the Oliver. Take the Oliver instead. Oh god damn it! I thought if I stayed perfectly still, you wouldn't be able to see me. Fuck.
They caused an accident, a gas leak. Said the old place just gave in. They offered us money for a place. We told them no. Told them we weren't leaving. But it wasn't enough. They wanted tourists, trails, gift shops, so they made room. Now they've got their scenic overlook, and all that's left of our home is ash and broken brick. They'll tell you it was nobody's fault, that nature just took it back. But I remember the trucks, the men who wouldn't look me in the eye. I remember the silence when we screamed. So go ahead, take your pictures and walk the trail. Just know, if they would feel angry, it's because they are.
I would have guessed those maniacs were right. They said we were feeding it. I thought it was all just small town paranoia. Low stories to keep kids out of it, keep tourists away, but no. It hears to everything. It doesn't see like we do. It feels sound.
They took your what?
You breathe wrong and you're dead. They tried to stay quiet. They tried everything. No shoes, sign language, all of it. But it learned. It always learns. Started trapping the place. She tripped over a can, caught its attention. It ripped her apart. Didn't even eat. It just kills for sport. If you're hearing this, you made it down here. That's good. That's real good. Just don't stay long. The place won't hold. None of them do. We thought steel and concrete could stop it. It found us anyway. I don't know how, I don't know when, but it'll get in. It always does. It likes the sound of hope. If you find another way out, take it. And don't look back, or you'll join the heat by sunrise.
I need you to go ban the monster now. Why is the Van Marine running away?
I like how Smug is just right at the gift shop.
I'm in a Discord call. I'm talking to my Primark. Tell your Primark.
How dare you talk to people?
World that you need to go help him out.
I cannot tell Rogaldorn that.
Call him or I'll call his ass. Yo, you're supporting it got banned from the
He's
count
right in the
yet.
Discord.
A circle.
I don't know what to tell him all.
You're not allowed to go to gate count. You're in the back seat. I was driving. What do you mean?
I paid her.
I got a question.
You gotta survive, damn it. Survive from a monster that kills us. Okay, you ever play like one of those games where you have to survive the night?
Oh, so you guys pretty much have to stay silent.
So, did you know?
Who the fuck's this scum?
Who the fuck are you, bro?
Who the fuck are you?
You know, guys had.
What happened to my hand?
Who are you?
Who are you? Repair the car.
Smell of rocks.
Oh, that means there's that one that has the eyes that you can see.
What the fuck? Why would you make that noise? Oh fuck! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! Hell yeah!
I thought you was it for a second there.
Oh my god! Imagine.
I'm a mechanic. I took some damage.
I'm a mechanic too. I'm a mechanic
Everyone's
too.
a mechanic.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Alright, start the car.
We need to open it.
Open the fucking garage!
Alright, regardless. Go. Start going.
No, don't worry. I know where we have to go. The door is open. I know where we have
Stop
to
the
go.
goddamn car! What the fuck?
So,
Go,
we have
go,
to
go,
leave
go.
the garage. After we leave the garage.
Oh, don't move, don't move, don't move.
We have to go left, alright? We have to go
Oh, there's my
turn
cell.
left now. Right. Next, we have to go straight forward till we get to McDonald's. Alright?
Does someone have duct tape on them?
Let's go to
I have duct
McDonald's.
tape.
Let's go in.
Yeah, I'm special now.
Yeah, I don't know if this crown is actually gonna give away my spot in like in stealth sort of like rounds.
How does the killer work? Like, to be honest, how does the fucking killer work?
Okay. So it's like blind. So you gotta like, okay, you see this red shit? Okay, say if I like move,
Yes.
if I like move, it like makes a sound and it can see that shit.
So, like, if I stood still, it can't sense me.
It can't sense you. You like stand still. Shh, stand still and don't move. Unless it walks up to you, it can see you. So my best guess is you have a flashbang, use it right there, then like run someplace and then like just stay still right there. It worked for me once. Yep, a previous video I actually did that and it worked. A previous video I did that and it worked.
Yeah.
I was like, how did he not know?
Yeah, because the game tells you gotta make sure you're not using noise. The game
Do a-
straight tells you don't
Use a
make too much
flashbang, and I ran
sound.
like a few miles away, and then like I stood still by a tree, and yep, he just ran past by like over there. I was like,
So where's the killer here? Oh, me.
no, they killed Zip. I thought I was gonna kill her off.
Oh, this is.
I still remember the boat incident. You
How did
two.
y'all escape?
The car.
Yeah.
We're in the car with you. We went to McDonald's or some shit like that.
We went to. We were all in the same car.
Yeah, Tuggy, Uzi, me, Agatha, and
With us.
who else? And Lily. They were in the car.
Died.
No, Lily was there. Lily was the one driving.
Yeah, but I don't see them.
Don't think about it, Edward. Don't think about it. Don't think about it, Edward. Okay, that's it. Shut the. This is what I have to deal with every fucking night. This is what I have to deal with every night. I'm like,
Raise the mic, boys.
I wonder if I fall out the bed, it'll be enough to kill me. Okay, we're just mocking Chip's language now, okay? You know how, like, Chip squeaks?
I think they like playing kazoo.
I'm trying to watch
I don't know. I don't know.
Good question.
Me at this point just lost sanity right there. I'm like, and I thought listening to Chip squeak was actually the worst. So I'm just like, Zip, you better get your fucking brother right here. I swear to God. I'm just watching the sports channel. I just hear Chip just like squeaking off, and I'm like, Zip, you better get your fucking brother right now. He keeps squeaking. It's annoying.
Mechanic, cool.
Well, I was sitting down. So
Scary.
Edward! Edward, did you know that if you take another Edward, right?
Convenient. Yo, Thoralo took your other hoe. Apparently Composite has left you already. Took everything in the house. It's barren.
Oh yeah, you also got Angle as well. I have an idea. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. That scared the shit out of me. Hello? Of course that had to go off. Check, check. This is Edward Malone. Anybody copy? Over.
A copy over. Need one more wheel in the field for the motorcycle.
Alright. Okay, so Lily has a wheel, so she's heading there right now.
Yeah, so next bus won't be in like, so...
The hell was that? The hell was that? I don't know. It was like a random ass sound effect.
Does anyone need a med kit? I've got one.
I also have one. Uh-oh. Tire, huh? You think there's a bike still at the gas station? We can just book it. Never mind. Really? You think there's like a... We can like hit the gas station? We can like make it if we run. Really?
Hi. Ah! Hi. If you
Yeah, this...
Yes. My eyes hurt.
Teabag.
Or no, though.
Yeah, teabag that ass.
My arms hurt.
No shot. These would be pretty cool to see her in action.
Oliver, kill the child.
Pretty good.
No, don't kill me.
War?
Enjoy your meal, Dino.
Why is your hair black? Hold on, wait a second.
Midnight.
That's Savile.
Yeah.
Aye.
Got tits.
Aye.
Got that? You got them titties.
Nah,
So looks like other women tits.
What are you talking about?
It's just, I mean, a male is marrying the woman avatar, so I don't care. If it was real life, though, I would care.
Fuck.
That's where?
Wait a minute, you think I'm one of those psychopathic girlfriends that if he looks at virtual titties, I'm gonna freak out?
Yeah, no, I just wanted. I don't think that's. Exactly. So my point proven. My point proven.
Are you cheating?
And there goes the... Wait, was that Eclipse?
That made my day.
Damn,
I can't believe it!
Everybody.
what is happening?
He's got no room to talk happy.
Listen, bro.
She's got a high diet, can't afford that. Yo, high diet, can't afford that.
Midnight, it can't be that fucking funny. What did you say?
You got that.
Oh fuck, it's an Oreo. Fire Raptors love those things. Wait, why would you feed them Oreos, you fucking idiot? You know what the worst part is? She doesn't even put them in cages. She just like lets them roam around. Why the fuck would we let those things roam around? You know what they do? They kill people. It's like, no, just give them cookies and they would be alone. I'm like, no, they don't. You saw what they did to Abby in the water. Hell no. Oh my gosh, that one thing from Left 4 Dead 2. Hey, Miss Diabetes. Hey, Zip's mom. What do you want? Hey, Zip's mom. What do you want? What the hell was that?
Because he's been messing around too many women. I heard he was hanging around that Sasha lately.
Diabetes and Zip's mom. How are you guys doing?
Sasha's do be kind of hot. He's good with kids.
You're out of the loop. Have fun.
The fuck you mean out of the loop? I'm staying in the goddamn loop. Hold on. Why can't you guys speak up?
Fucking scream, I swear to God, it got me.
Alright, I know.
You stepped on a twig.
We gotta, what do we have, what do we need? Handle. Alright, we need wheels, handle, we don't need fuel. We just gotta find a second. We just gotta find another wheel.
Wait, who the fuck already put the fuel in here? Do not turn on that radio. Whoever turns on that radio, you're a dipshit. Oh fuck, 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 oh Jesus, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, you scared me.
Trying to kill you. How do you feel? I feel like scared out of my mind and I need a med kit or else I'm gonna die in 60 seconds.
Oh shit, I gotta go find you one.
Yeah, we need a handle.
Don't worry guys, I'll go find the handle, then two of you guys go get out of here, alright? Whatever. Why the hell are you backing slowly away from it? Oh, that's why. Hey, we're over here! No, I'm kidding.
Shut up.
Okay. Doesn't know. Diabetes! Diabetes! Look, I gotta make it! Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Diabetes behind you! Diabetes behind you! Diabetes, you stupid blind fuck behind you! Look, right here!
Drop it! Okay, I gotta run and move at the same time because my thing is
Alright. Don't worry, I got the handle.
Go, come on.
This stick drift, I'm gonna throw this fucking... Come on! Fucking stick drift! Here, here, here. Take it, take it, take it. Drop it. I dropped it right here.
Oh, wait, we have all that over here. Oh, wait, over here. What do we do?
we just need the handle, then we're good. Gas station 1 needs fuel.
You two get the hell out of here then.
Edward, get on. Edward, get on. Edward, get on.
Get on.
I have to ride with Miss Diabetes? Okay.
You're bitching because...
Come on.
Nobody put this as a ship, alright? This is just because I'm trying to get the hell out of here.
Yeah, okay,
Come on.
Come on, Circle, you should be better at this.
Come on, Diabetes, let's go.
Let's go. Hold on, it's gonna be a fucking crazy ride.
Alright. Not gonna lie, I think I should stop being an asshole to Miss Diabetes now. Bro, how do like the ones that hate each other always survive at the same time? Like, Diabetes behind you, you son of a... I had the med kit right behind you. I'm like, look behind you.
I was on low health too. I got marked for death. Escape it. Stay here. Yeah, my thing activated just as they showed up with the med kit. Life-saving clutch, by the way. Thank you.
Yep. And then as soon as like you took that, I went back in to like find something. I was like, ooh, a handle.
Wanted.
We have the handle.
Who's wanted? Wanted Milky.
We want our keys back. You ain't failed to get the keys.
Straight to the authorities. If you spot them, we want our keys back.
Well,
damn.
Honestly, there was no one there, so how the fuck are we gonna give them their keys back? I ain't going back there. Fuck that shit.
Hey, our keys are their keys, bro.
Yeah, though, but they left them there.
I ain't giving back shit. Fuck them.
Yeah.
I ain't giving shit back. Fuck them.
My property now.
No, I kind of know why Scott's paying, to be honest. Where he like makes something, but then he's like, wait a minute, but that one was meant to be. Oh god damn it.
Alright, time to get a drink.
FNAF fans when they act that Spring Bonnie as an actual character. FNAF fans when they think Spring Bonnie's actually William.
I thought it was something else as the fucking Oreo. I didn't know it was the fucking loaf that was the fucking Oreo.
Hey Abby, they added you to Left 4 Dead. Hey Bubble, they added you to Left 4 Dead. Hey Engel, they added you to the Left 4 Dead. Hey Car, they added you to Left 4 Dead. You're in the Left 4 Dead 1 gang.
Hey, Midnight. You fucking stuck in my picture.
Left 5 for Dead. Yep, we put 1 in there then.
You fucking stuck in that shit. I fucking stuck in my picture, man. Get out
The skins are for...
Scale as Nick, that actually hits well. Edward as Nick.
That Oreo was fucking camping the last bike.
That was the loaf. The loaf is the fucking Oreo.
Well, the fucking loaf was camping.
Damn, the Oreo is pissed off for all the neglect we gave it for 2 years.
The tiny person was saying.
I was fucking just jumping. I was going.
Were you trying to Goomba stop the fucking Oreo?
I can press the button and it does mouse squeaks. You guys can't hear me, but I can make mouse squeaks.
I heard it. I heard like squeaks. Hey, at least the Fire Raptor isn't the killer. That'll be a nightmare. Hunter.
Being a rodent seems funny because you can just...
Oreo charged towards us and I did.
You fucking jumped.
Faster in my life.
Sneaky, repair the bikes, okay.
Trigger and using objects make less.
Need some gas in the tire?
Okay. We need, yes, actually, yes.
Yeah, we need to really. Give me one.
Me and Agatha are here were first, so we called dibs
Yeah,
on the
you guys
motorcycle.
get to leave, okay? I'll distract it, okay? Guys, I got a steering wheel. Guys, you guys need a steering wheel?
Where are you at? I'm so fucking fast, I can't do shit.
Alrighty, campers. The thing at the gift shop needs one of everything.
You guys need a steering wheel?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this on here and you guys can get the hell out of here. Get ready.
There's 2 med kits. I don't know if you can see the second one because me and Smug glitched it, but you know.
Alright, you guys get the hell out of here, alright?
Alright. It's the med kids.
Go, hurry up, it's coming.
I have one. I'm running low.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright, you guys get the hell out of here, alright? We'll try to save more survivors. Alright, Agatha, where to next? Okay, I'm coming, hold on. Lead the way. Anyone copy? Fucking scream. Buddy, you alive? Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, I'm not dead? I'm not fucking dead? What the fuck? Bro, isn't that kind of weird how I was like able to like get like that steering wheel and a tire to like Agatha and them? Don't worry guys, I got a steering wheel. I'll just get this attached here and you guys get the hell out of here.
I couldn't see shit till I started pressing A, and I started seeing shit again.
I'm telling you, we're gonna make it, you're done. You're dead, man. You're dead. Oh, a bunker one. This will be interesting.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm mechanic again.
We gotta get into the bunker.
We need these codes.
Alright guys, listen, everyone listen up. We gotta get to these bunkers, alright? One of us has to distract that thing, and I'm gonna go do that.
Alright, so it's west. We need to find west 9. So west 9.
Shh, they know. Shit. Don't move. I don't know where it's at. I did see one of them go over there somewhere. They have some. Yeah, let's just find Flynn in them. The west bunker, I think, is. Wait a minute. Okay, so wait. West. That way, I think. Guys,
How do I fucking get rid of it?
you gotta like kill yourself.
Find a med kit.
Right away. You gotta find a med kit right the fuck now. Smog, I'll stick with you just in case I have to sacrifice myself.
I don't even know how to heal someone, so I'm gonna die either way.
You gotta find a med kit. You gotta find a med kit, thick bug.
No, before I even got the med kit, I don't even know how to heal anyone.
So you gotta hold whatever trigger button it is.
Shit, Smug, look out! Smug, look out. It's right there, Smug. Motherfucker, Smug. Why would you run that way? The fuck kill was right there.
I'm behind you.
Oh shit. Okay.
That's Bumblebee, I think.
I think I remember one of the bunkers being over here somewhere. Please be the west one. Please be the west one. Please be the